What is going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. And today we are doing a video with a super sick Stingray C8 Corvette. The first C8 to be on the channel, actually. So this is actually kind of dope. I've been wanting to do a video with the C8 for a long while now, and a buddy of mine actually reached out, and I'll introduce him in a minute, saying that he was available to do it. So this is going to be pretty dope. So this is the Stingray Corvette, and what year is it? Is it 2024? This is ARC, by the way. ARC, how long have you had the car, man?
It's gonna be 2 years in October. It's a 24, but I got into year 23. I was on the wait list, so I spec'd it out, ordered it.
That's sweet. How long did you have to wait to get it?
I went in prime time, bad market markups, and shortage on the chips. So I was on the wait list when it was 2022, so I was 21. It was about a year and a half.
Jeez.
Yeah, I got it when I was 23.
I bet you were just anxious to get it.
I really was, but...
What was your reaction when you finally got it delivered in person? Were you just like, oh my god, it's so beautiful?
It was crazy, because when I went in, I didn't realize, because I have my Jeep, but I bought that 50-50 with my parents. This is my first car on my own.
Nice.
And so it's my first car purchase. Going in, I thought, I got the cash, buy the car. Markups, chip shortage, wait list. I didn't realize how bad COVID messed up the car, buying cars and whatnot. And,
right.
In my mind, I just spent money and get the car. I thought that was a process, but no. Went in, got it, told it might be a 1 to 2 year wait, and that kind of like broke my heart because I've been wanting this car. It got introduced in 2019, so I was 18. I wanted it since I laid eyes on it when they showed it off the first time.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm gonna get this car.
What all is done to the car? Is it pretty much still stock, or do you have a lot of...
So I have just at the moment the lip, the skirt. I have lowering springs coming in. I am gonna swap them out for air suspension.
Nice.
And I have a custom Valvetronic exhaust.
Sweet. And we'll get an exhaust clip for you guys here in a moment, but yeah. That's cool. Any performance mods done to it yet?
You know how much performance mods cost? The thing is that I'm also building a custom wing. I'm almost done.
Nice.
Out of fiberglass, same material as the car. My issue is, I don't know if I want to put this, a lot I want to do to it, but at the same time, by next summer, I want to get a Z06.
Nice.
So it's like, I don't want to spend more money to this.
That's
money when I want to upgrade.
Exactly. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Let's give the people that are watching a clip of the exhaust real quick. Oh yeah, there you go. It's like a legit transformer.
It is.
Now you said you had a Valvetronic exhaust. What brand is it?
Is it just custom? It's custom.
It's custom? Okay, sweet. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's show you guys the interior real quick, and then we'll go for a rip, and we'll show you what kind of power this thing's making. So here is the interior. This thing is so nice. It legit looks like a fighter jet. What's your opinion on the red seats and the red trim? Do you like it?
Yeah, I mean, I do wish I went with black for the purpose of if I ever ended up wrapping the car, because I was close to wrapping the car, I'd have to go with colors that work with the red.
Right.
But even though I prefer red over the black, I think the red seats are more unique. It pops more, especially with the black trim, because it matches the red brake calipers.
For sure.
Black is a safer bet.
So what's the longest trip you've taken it on?
To Seattle.
Nice. Is it pretty comfy ride all the way there, or does
The seats are really comfortable. My girlfriend even loved it. She just realized this, and she never really thought about it. She's like, these seats are really comfortable.
That's funny.
I'd say not to sleep in just because the positioning.
Yeah.
Not the sleep position. But no, the seats are definitely comfortable. I've had friends who have Mercedes sitting in, and it's comfier than their cars.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, sitting in the seats, it's actually really comfortable. Really I'm very surprised.
It scoots back a good amount. It has, you get a lot of room with it.
That's really cool. And you guys will be able to hear the exhaust a lot because we have the top off. That pops are so sick. Have you had any other like supercar or hypercar, or not hypercar, sports car before this, or is this like your first one?
First.
Really? How is it?
I love it. Again, back in high school, I was 17. I got my first car. It was 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Nice.
Saved up for that. Went half and half with my parents. However much I saved up, they matched my down payment. So that's the only car I had. It's a V6. And then yeah, and then I still have that. That's my daily.
Nice.
And then yeah, and being able to go from that to this, it's crazy.
That's
it's awesome.
wild.
Yeah, that's my first sports car.
And you're how old?
24 now.
Dang,
yeah,
that's wild.
23.
That's so sick. That's awesome. I really hope you guys can hear that. That's so cool. I don't think you guys can get the wind because I got the camera right by the windshield, so
We can do it both from the top off and down. So
I think
back on.
Oh, okay.
We'll swap over.
Yeah, look at that, you guys. He's doing the roof swap while driving. That's sick.
Yeah, you can do up to 30 miles per hour, so you don't gotta stop.
That's so cool. And just like that, the top is on. Do you get very many looks when you're driving along the highway? Like, oh, that's such
a crazy amount.
Is it more dudes than women that give you like the thumbs up?
I've noticed. I got my windows tinted now, so it's hard for them to see in. I get a lot more female attention when my girlfriend's not in the car.
Oh, that is hilarious.
And I got the tints, now they can't really see it if there's someone else, but what is it? She'll lower her window, it'll be up like this, and then stick it down, just stare right out, stare right at them.
That's so hilarious.
Yeah, when she's not around, they're looking. When she's in the car, no one is. It's a bunch of dudes. Anywhere I park up in front of the salt and straw. Heads are all turned.
That's so funny.
It's crazy. It gets a lot of attention.
Brakes are just incredible too. They're not carbon ceramics, are they?
They're just ceramic.
They're just ceramic? That's so sick. I rode my buddy's GTR one time and he had carbon ceramics and he barely pushes it and you're like, ugh. The carbon ceramics are just incredible.
It really is. I was thinking about, again, if it wasn't for me wanting to go for a Z06, one of the first things I wanted to upgrade was the brakes.
Yeah.
The system. And it is really, really good. But for the way I drive, I want to go track it a lot more.
That'd be sick.
The
exhaust note is just so damn good. I love the exhaust note it has on it.
I remember when I got it installed, I got sent an audio clip on a camera, and I'm not gonna lie, I was like, that's it, that's what they do.
Right?
In person,
it sounded way better. Dude, that's one thing I've noticed. Whenever I get sent audio clips of my exhaust getting done, it's like, camera quality does not do justice for how it sounds in person. Got a tunnel here. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is a V8, right?
Yeah. 6.2 liter naturally aspirated.
That's so sick. And I think the Z06 is, aren't they a twin turbo V8?
No, it's a 5.4 liter flat plate crank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so they're an NA.
Yeah,
okay.
Twin turbos on the ZR1.
ZR1, that's what I was thinking of. Okay. Dude, you should just go for the ZR1 instead of Z06.
The ZR1 is not even, I guess, some people have gotten their hands on it. They're slowly producing them, but that's 200K.
Yeah.
And the markups are more than the actual car.
I've heard that.
Yeah, there's a dealership right now. The car is MSRP 206, and the markup was 298, I think it was.
Holy crap.
So expect the car to be 500K even.
That is wild. We're just gonna do a little flyby in this alleyway right here. We can't go too terribly crazy because we are at a grocery store, but we have this little runway where he can get on it a little bit. Damn, those pops are insane. That sounds so sick. Alrighty, you guys, that is gonna do it for the vlog. Sorry if it was a bit short, but you know what? I'm glad I was able to get out here with my homie and, you know, chop it up with him and get into his C8 and do some videos for you guys, or do a video for you guys. So first C8 on the channel. How about that? That'll be pretty thick to put out in public for you, or publish for you guys. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you are not already, please hit the subscribe button and make sure to leave a like. It does me and the channel favors, and there's more to come. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we're gonna say goodbye to ARC. Woo! See you guys in the next video. Peace.